Hey everyone, I am so excited to do this unbox with you. I just received a package from Armani Beauty. They sent over a couple of goodies, including the eau de perfume my way, and I am so grateful and excited to do the unbox with you guys. So let's open up the things. I never tried this my way perfume. Oh, so it's a gorgeous packaging. It's hard to see, but it's a light pink, and glass jar is beautiful. So let me see. All right, it's pretty sweet scent, and I think I love it. This one over the little masculine scent to it. So this is another edition for my fragrance collection, and let's open up the Eye Quad. So this is called Eye Quattro number 4 Fame. I don't think I have this color. I have 1 and 6, I believe. This is beautiful cool tone palette. So there's 2 shades, well, all 4 shades, and 2 are pretty similar in the pan. I think I'm gonna loving this blue grayish shadow with this icy color. This is beautiful. So this is Fame, and let's see. So Eyes to Kill Stella. This should be the shimmer one. I used to have Eyes to Kill pot type like this, and I think I own like 3 of them, but all got dried out, so I threw away I think 2, and 1 left somewhere in the drawer. I don't think I can remember where I put it. So this is color number 6. There's no name on it. No name, just 6. Beautiful shimmer color. So this formula is very bouncy. Do you see it? It's a little bit like moving, bouncy, but super lightweight and very reflective. So I used to love those, and I own 3, but unfortunately it dries quickly, as I remember. So this is number 6. I love it. All right, so moving on to the Lip Maestro. These are the ones that I've been loving for years, and I own several of them. And color 103, 209, 213. Oh, okay, so it's from their Venetian collection, from their holiday collection. So Tazio, Palazzo, Silenzio. Sorry about the butchering the names, but so number 103. Let's see. I think I have 209 shade Palazzo. Okay, so 103 is beautiful nude shade. It looks like a pretty neutral. All right. Oh, so pretty. I love their formula, and this is a liquid lipstick that it doesn't dry my lips, so I love this one. And this is 103, and number 209 Palazzo, and this is a beautiful brick shade. So it looks really dark, but it's a little, because I already have this, so it's more like a brick brownish. So when you put it on, and then like lighter color like this, you can do like ombre lips, and or outer lips with this one, and inner lips with these like nude colors. It's so beautiful. So this is Palazzo number 209, and last one is 213 Silenzio. This is more mauvey grayish undertone to it. So let's see. Oh, this is beautiful shade. Okay, it's too messy, but so this is the one that I just did. 213, 209, and 103. All right. So moving on to their matte lipstick. It's called a Rouge Armani matte. Okay, so 501. 501 called Milano. I love their shape. It's a little oval on the case, but actual lipstick bullet is round. This looks very muted rosy tone, so let's try here. Oh, this is cool tone rose color. Amazing. If anyone haven't tried their matte lipstick, this is amazing matte lipstick. If you like the matte lipstick, you gotta try this. It doesn't dry my lips. That's one of the good formula that doesn't make my lips dry or flaky. And this is 503. I think it's a pastel, yeah, pastel glow. Oh, such a beautiful rosy color, perfect for springtime. So it go on super smooth, very creamy, but it's a matte lipstick, so it doesn't really going anywhere. It stayed on all day. I really love this formula. So beautiful packaging as well. All right, last one. Eye Tint Chrome, number 43, Ice. So I'm guessing this is going to be super cool shade. Oh yes. Okay. So this one probably goes with really well with the number 43 Fame. I'm gonna put it on. There you go. All right here. So their eye tint is when you put it on, it feels a little cool, and they have a beautiful reflective finish to it. So definitely try this one as a base, and I can put it on this eye quattro on top. It'll be beautiful cool tone eyeshadow look. Yay! So I'm so happy for this. Thank you so much, Armani Beauty, for sending these goodies. I definitely try a couple of the things and create a look with these ones. So thank you. Have a good one, guys. Talk to you soon. Bye.